Hi everyone. Now I am going to discuss about the C language course, which is very essential from elementary school. And coming to this programming language, nothing but C language. Before C language, you need to know what is this C. C is nothing not a programming language. It is before C language. There are so many languages came into existence like Algol, BCPL, B, traditional C, K and RC, ANSI C, ANSI or ISOC, C99. So before discussing these languages, you need to know why we should learn C language. C language will be overcome by these languages. First one, C Algol. Algol was developed in the year 1960 by international group. And next one is BCPL, developed in the year 1967 by Martin Richard. B, is, B was developed in the year 1973 by Ken Thompson. And next traditional C came into existence in the year 1972. Dennis Ritchie. Who developed this traditional C? Dennis Ritchie. From here onwards, it's very important. Before programming language like Algol, BCPL, Fortran, COBOL, Snowball, these are very low level languages, and you need to understand three types of languages. Okay, first one, low level languages. If you write programming language in very low level language, you cannot understand. Example of low level language is nothing but Algol, Fortran, COBOL, Snowball, C hash, Ada. These are nothing but low level languages. If you learn this low level language, if you write a low level language, you cannot understand because user cannot understand the written programming low level language. So for this reason, you need to convert low level language into machine level language. That is very important. Coming to the next scenario, take take the example of high level languages. High level languages. Example of high level languages are nothing but C++, Java, Python, .NET. So these are nothing but high level language. Suppose if you write either in low level language or in high level language, user cannot understand. So user wants simplified programming language where it is simple and easy to understand. So that's why we need to learn C language, which is nothing but simple and basic programming language. It is very well easy and it is very easy and easy to understand. So here in this point, we need to learn C language. C is nothing but high-level structure-oriented programming language. It is mainly used in general-purpose programming. If anyone asks who develops C language means, you need to tell that C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. And C is a successor of BCP and B language. Oh, so, what are the main reasons of learning C language? If you learn C language, it is easily applicable to the other programming languages also. So, C is very basic programming language to learn anything. Without C language, you cannot understand anything. And where the C language will be useful, it will be useful in, especially in database systems, and it is mainly used for database purpose. Database system, language interpreters, compilers and assemblers, operating systems, network drivers, word processor. That means it will be useful in simple applications. That's why C language is very simple and easy to understand. C is also called as procedure-oriented language. Suppose if you take the example of mathematics problem, you want to solve some equation or you want to solve some formula for simple interest. How you will evaluate? You won't go directly to calculate the interest. First, you need to identify the terminologies. What are their principal amount, number of years, interest, and for how many years it will be evaluated. You need to apply the formula and you need to manipulate this formula and you need to calculate this. For this reason, sequence of steps will be taken. That's why C language is called procedure oriented language. It is also called a structure oriented language. It follows certain structure because C language has necessary syntax to provide for that. Um, that's the main application of C language and basic purpose.